In this video, we will learn what is an array. We will learn the difference between array and array list. You will learn what's the better situation to use each one. And in the end of this video, I will give you some tips for your job interview. And we will do all this thing with practical exercise. Let's go. First, what's an array? Array is a variable that contains that more than one values. For example, in this variable of int, I have the value 2, 6, 3, and 9. In only one variable, I have more than one values. So I don't need to create number 1, number 2, and number 3. I only create the array none. Okay, so it's very important to know. That it's not possible to change the length of the array. We can change an array with ArrayList, but it's a collection framework, not the array that we are talking right now. Okay, and how I get this value? For example, I want to get the number 3 here. I can get by the index, like here. So if I want the number 3, I put the number 2 in the index here inside that brackets. If I want the number 2, I need, because it's the first value of the array, I put the number 0 inside the brackets. It's very important. The index of the array begin in the 0, not in the 1. Okay? Now we know what's an array. Let's do some practical exercise to train how to use this. I create this hypothetical situation as our requirement, and you can download it in the description of this video and practice and share with anyone. So let's do the first one. Show the new subscriber of channel in this order: John, Peter, and Maria. Let's see it. How can I do it? So to create an array is very easy. We only need tell to Java the type of the array. Remember, the array only can have one type. Put the brackets here, the name of the array, like any variable, and equal sign. And here we can put directly the name of the person that we want. So inside the braces, we can put the names of our subscribers. But the requirement is to show, to print the name of the first subscribers. So here we have the names, and we need printing it. If you are studying array, it's because you already studied iteration. So we need iteration over this array. It's very easy. We need an index. Remember, this is the index 0. We will ask the array length. So our name of our array is subscriber. We'll put it here. And after the iteration, the index here, we will add one value. So I get the name of the array here. And here I will print in all the names. Let's see it. Let's run. Maria, Maria, and Maria. Why it? Because we only get the first one, the number 0. We don't need only the number 0. We need all the names, so we need index here, because it's our increment condition here. Let's do it. Now it's okay. Maria, John, and Peter. Okay? It's our first exercise. So now we don't know the names of subscriber. So we need to create other type of array and ask for the user how your name. So we'll create string again, brackets again, and other subscriber. I will call it subscriber 2. But now I can't do it because I don't know the name. So I need new array of string. Remember, array must have one size. So I I will need 5 subscriber. I need inform it here. And now I need to ask for the user what's your name. I'll, I will do a for here. Now the array not my subscriber 1, it's subscriber 2. I can put here. And I will ask for the user with an interface, with swing, with input dialog. The input dialog returns to us a string that the user writes in the dialog. I need to pass the index of array to where the subscriber will be recorded. So I will iterate over this array and put the name here in the index. And after it, I will printing in the console. So not anymore subscribers, it's subscriber 2. I can create a method only for it after. Let's run it. Oh, I use the wrong subscriber here. It's subscriber 2. What's happened? I try to put the 4 subscriber inside the array that there is only 3 place there, so it's not possible. So I have exception. Remember, I'm not able to access the position that array don't have. So the subscriber 2 has 5 position. I can work with it. Subscriber 1 only have 3 position. So I can't access the number 3 like this bug here. Let's run it again. Yes, now we have 5 subscribers. Very nice. Let's go to the next requirement. So we have other requirements. Is sort the array. Sorting an array can be very difficult if we try to do it with a simple array. So Java gives to us an array list is a data structure that gets easy our life. Let's do it. We need call the array list here. Okay, it's array list. It's from collection framework, and it can be easily sorted, easily remove, or can easily add some things in it. It's the first difference between ArrayList and traditional array. This array, this size is immutable. This array is mutable. You can add and remove. Other difference is that array list here only support objects. For example, like if I try call some primitive here, I have error. Here, if I create a array of int, I don't have error here. Okay, so ArrayList only supports objects, not primitive. But we are working with objects because string is an object. Okay, so let's continue. We need ask to our user the name of our subscriber because we don't know the name anymore, but we don't have the size of the array like here, so we are not able to use for anymore. We need to use a while iteration, so let's do it. And the condition to exit the while is the name ponto equals kit. So if the user types kit, the program needs exit. So it will continue wherever the name is not kit. So I need to declare it above. Okay, now I will add in my array list the name of the users. Add name. But be careful because in this situation the last string will be kit, so we need to remove it from array. So it's very easy because array list is mutable. We can remove by index, for example the 0, or we can remove by the object. I will call the object kit here. Okay, and how we are working with interface here? We can show for our user the name in a interface tool. Let's use show message dialog. Okay, the array list is here, but I need the array list, but I need a sorted array list. It's very easy. I only need to use collection and pass array list for it. So let's try it. First, my name, Wellington, Alessandra, Maria, and kit.
look, our array is sorted right now. So it's very easy do it with collections and array lists. Okay, let's see our other requirements. First, let's get out it here because we don't need anymore. Okay, now we can work with our other requirements. First, I'm going to add the people here. Let's see it. I don't need it anymore. Here in console I have Maria, João and Pedro in the order that I have put here. But I want the other one, for example, Joseph, in his place, in the second place. So what I need to do? So now I need change the order that I have here. I can do it very simple way. It's only ArrayList.add. I can pass the index. Remember, the second place is number 1, and pass the name. And play and can run it. Here is the result. Maria, José in the second place, how I said, João and Pedro. Be careful because ArrayList has this method here. This method not change the value. It erase the value and put the new value. For example, now José will be erased and Wellington will appear. Let's see. Like here, José will erase and Wellington appear because the set erase the element. So if you want to add a new element without erase the other, you need add and not set. Let's see our last one requirement. It's very easy. I'm going to give you this exercise for homework. It's very easy. You need remove someone from our array list or from our array.